everybody, it's Lisa with Chicken Seed. Today we're going to germinate some seeds, specifically sweet corn. Here we go. I've got my supplies. I have baggies, cutting board, a pair of scissors to cut the seed packets. I actually bought too many seeds, but that's okay. They'll last for years. One seed pack for this brand, it has at least 30 or 40 kernels of corn in it. And here comes my cat Jax. He was very, very curious during filming and he wanted to be part of it. So that's what they look like. So I placed them on my cutting board, and what I have learned in the few years I've been gardening is for the hard seeds that you find, the larger ones and the harder ones like the corn kernels, squash seeds, nasturtiums, sometimes they require a technique called notching the seed. So you basically just cut off a tiniest little sliver of an edge on the edge of the seed, and it really helps with germination. It helps speed it up. Sometimes with the bigger seeds and the harder seeds, it takes a little longer, but that's what I did here. And you'll see there's all the slivers. You got to be very, very careful. These corn kernels are extremely hard as a rock, so I had to be very, very careful with the knife, but it just helps with germination. So then you take your little towel. I use napkins, paper towels, what have you. You run them under some water, doesn't matter. You squeeze out the extra water, then you lay your towel down flat. I use just regular household paper towels. Then you just start placing your seeds one by one. Give them a little space in between. Gently fold over the paper towel. I usually pat it down, it just helps kind of keep it secure. And I usually fold it another time. Fold it in half twice. I've heard some people only fold it once. Honestly, I don't know if it matters, but this is what I do. And it's worked for 3 years, and I typically am able to germinate everything I put in these baggies. Most of everything, but we'll get into that later. So this is what they look like actually on the paper towel. Like I said, space them out a little bit. You don't want to bundle together, otherwise the roots and the sprouts will stick together and you'll lose everything. It's actually very relaxing to germinate seeds this way. And I have found it to be the most successful within the past 3 years of gardening. Add it to the rest of them. Then we're going to take our baggie and put it in a sunny window. Let the magic happen. In 7 to 10 days, you'll see what's sprouting.